Enhance your EPC skills with Quiet Energy VR-based digital piping services. Our cutting-edge platform combines immersive 2D and 3D simulation environments, providing real-time, hands-on experience that bridges the gap between theory and application. Who benefits from this service? Students. Engage in interactive, realistic simulations to better understand complex engineering concepts. Professionals and job seekers. Prepare for interviews with practical, real-world experience that builds confidence and sets you apart. Industry clients. We deliver immersive end-to-end solutions for all industries, harnessing the power of VR technology and real-time experience tools. By leveraging the latest in VR technology, we provide a comprehensive learning environment with detailed virtual engineering models, real-time site training, and interactive simulations. This unique approach helps you visualize, practice, and perfect your skills in a secure, cost-effective, and efficient way. Whether you're starting your career, advancing your expertise, or preparing for your next opportunity, Quiet Energy equips you with the tools and knowledge to succeed. By partnering with us, businesses achieve measurable improvements in efficiency, safety, and overall performance. Visit www.quietenergy.com to reserve your slot and step into the future of engineering training.